on, guys? So today we're about to head out to Calgary, head to the SAIT show, which will probably be our first show of the year. We have the banners. Right now it looks yellow in this light because the sun is directly on it. If you guys like that banner, go ahead and let me know either in the comments or DM this handle right here. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get on the road to Calgary. Had to get the most important meal of the day because I can't function without caffeine. Yo. What's good, dude?
Good to see you, buddy. Hey. Yeah. Wow, Depetti. Nope.
You want to bring it over a little
Nope.
bit more? Back in this way?
Nope.
A little bit
Nope.
more.
Nope.
Drive it. I don't think you're going to fit.
Too fat for the hoist. Your ass is too big, buddy.
I know. Dong. Hey man, how's it going? You're making my car look skinny.
That I did end up choosing for this is the bagged F30, the BMW, and that's AJ's car. Nice. So, I just wanted to point out, like, I really liked it because the color choice, the fact that it's super stance. I mean, it's bag, but it's still really
Infamous kit.
Yeah.
So it's wings.
Bada.
Oh yeah.
So now we're just waiting for the rest of the guys to get out of the meet, and then we're going to the local shop. Gonna hang out for a little bit, maybe go get some food. Yeah, head to the local Menace meet they have here every Wednesday night and check that out. It'll be my first time going to that. Go. Listen to all them bald eagles.
V8's brother. Same colored wheels and everything.
up, Mitch? Car's looking good. Different wheels since last time.
Just take out everything in the back.
That's weird. Mercedes wheels? What?
That's dope. That's what that is. There's that R32 as well. I was gonna stay, but I'm actually going to head home because I blew a weld on my exhaust. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the hour-and-a-half drive back to Red Deer. It is like 11 at night now. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. We will see you guys in the next video.